Okay, I don't know how to record this, so bear with me. But technically how you do this is, so first you want to read the problem. And this, it says, f of x equals x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 3x squared plus 10x. So I'm going to go type that into my calculator. I'm going to do it like this. So first we're going to hit y equals. We're going to hit x. Let me put it in here. We're going to hit, oops, I'm going to delete that. This is going to say y sub 1. And we're going to hit x, which is this button right here. X up caret 4 minus 6 caret 3 plus 10 x, oops, that was not an x, 10x minus 3. Let me just make sure that's right. Cool. And then, so now that you have that, you're going to hit graph, which is right here. It's going to take a bit. Okay. Now it graphs it for you. Next, we're trying to find the local maximum. So here, you want to hit second graph. Go back. Oops. Hit second trace. And you're going to go down here where it says, let's do minimum first. So you can go, you can click enter here, or you could just click 3. So I'm going to click 3. And we're going to try and find the minimum. So it's going to say left bound question mark, and you're going to try and go left to where you think it is. So I think it's, and then we're going to hit that. Then we're going to go, so these two arrows up top here should be pointing towards each other. And then you're going to go in between those two arrows. And then that is your minimum. Approximate. Okay, and then now we're gonna go back. So we're gonna go second trace. Now we're gonna try to find our maximum, which is 4. Our maximum, our local maximum is right here. So we're gonna go a little bit left of it. Oh, oopsies. What did I do? Second trace maximum. We're going to go a little bit left of it, which is like right there. We're going to hit enter, and then we're going to go a little bit right of it. We're going to hit enter. These two arrows should be pointing towards each other, and then we're going to go right in between where we think it is. So it's approximately right here. Hit enter. And then we're going to guess, and that is our maximum. So it's just approximate. It's never going to be like fully. Okay. And then for the absolute, for all 3 of the examples, the absolute, there is no absolute, the absolute minimum is just going to be your, is just going to be your local minimum. And then since they're both like up to infinity, both sides of the function, there's going to be no absolute maximum. Next, we're going to find y-intercepts. So this time you're going to go second graph, and we're going to do when y equals 0. I think that's how you do it. Never mind, go back. Second trace. Let's do, so, okay, I got it now. So we're going to go to where y equals 0 on your graph. So by doing this, you're going to hit second graph, which is going to bring up a table. You're going to try and find where 0 is on y. which doesn't seem to be anywhere here, so you're gonna have to, shoot, okay. So just go here, and around here should be your y-intercept. See where it hits the y-axis. And it's pretty simple. And then now for zeros, oops. For zeros, you're going to do second trace. You're going to go to zeros. And you're going to go through all of them. So how many times does it hit? And you're going to have to do it multiple times. So it hits the x-axis 4 times. So you're going to have to do it 4 different times, which is annoying, but I'll tell you how to do it for the first time. So right here is going to say left bound, which also means like up or down. It doesn't really matter. And we're going to hit enter. And then you're going to do the opposite. Hit enter. And then you're going to go in the middle. Where is it? What is happening? Hold up. Let me redo that. Okay. Second. So 0. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, second. Okay. Technically, you're gonna do the same thing. Oh my god, I swear to fucking god. Okay, second trace. I'm gonna go to 0. Where is my thing? Okay, now my calculator's freaking out. But technically, you're gonna go left bound, which is right here. Oh, see, that's where it is. And you're going to try and guess in the middle that, actually, that line's supposed to be here. So we hit, and then it's supposed to tell you. So that's it. And then for increasing and decreasing variables, you just take your local and maximum, your local min and local max, and then you do that. So for example, it would be 0 to 6. It would be negative infinity to 0, because that point was 6, 0. And then 2 to infinity, because that point was 2, and it goes up to infinity. And then it goes, so for decreasing, it goes from 0 to 2. That's decreasing. So that's kind of the basic. I could probably explain it better in person, but yeah.